Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Friday the 6th of December 2019. And earlier today we published a video entitled Small Bargain Gold Purchase from Local Pawn Shop, which shows that even now before Christmas it is possible to grab a bargain from your local pawn shop. And after Christmas there should be some excellent deals to be had for gold and silver products. As these shops know, they could be holding on to these items for some considerable time, especially if they could not sell them before Christmas. Also, as pawn shops generally pay very poor prices to sellers, you know there is a lot of room for manoeuvre even on gold and silver. But just be aware that they will have deals with bullion dealers to sell what they can at scrap value, which is usually a few percentage points below spot. So you know where the baseline is. It's then up to you and your negotiating skills to determine how close you can get to that level. Now, also yesterday we published a video entitled Why Are Silver Prices Falling More Than Gold?, which again we recommend you take a look at, especially as today silver has fallen, so has gold, but silver by at least 1 percentage point more. And this video that we produced yesterday will put into perspective some of the reasons why silver is still underperforming gold. And again, we've placed a link in the description box below. Now, we're producing this video at 18:30 hours GMT. So bullion markets are not closed as yet, but we can see the gold prices are currently standing at $1,461 and silver at $16.56. So gold has fallen some $17, approximately 1.2% today, and silver is down 46 cents or 2.5% down. The main reason for this is the outstanding jobs figures which came out earlier. We are, of course, referring to the Non Farm Payroll report, which now all but guarantees that the Fed will not be reducing rates when they meet and announce next Wednesday. Now, we will give a more comprehensive report in our gold and silver weekly update tomorrow. But non-farm payrolls are up some 266,000 jobs compared with 156,000 last month and an expectation of 180,000 this month. Now, please remember this. We believe this figure will be corrected downwards a little next month, as even to us it does seem somewhat high. But nevertheless, the size is so large, the increase so large, there is no way the Fed is going to cut rates next week. Now, despite that, stocks are up, with the Dow currently trading up over 340 points, and the dollar index is strengthened by 0.3, but still hasn't managed so far to reach the 98 figure it stood above last week. Now, the technicals for both gold and silver look terrible after a first glance, but we're analysing these this evening, and again we'll report more tomorrow. But one thing is for certain. All of those pumpers and the 4 YouTube channels, or FAO, depending how you pronounce it, YouTube channels, pretending to be objective while giving out clickbait pumper headlines, will likely have egg on their faces, as there were a multitude of videos out last week and continued well into this week telling us that the rise of gold and silver is now well underway, and if you don't stock up now, you're going to miss the boat. Watch out for those, because no doubt after today's figures they'll be saying, we said that prices might actually go down. Check their video history. Anyway, we have stated since last Saturday and continuously that Friday today would be an important day for gold and silver prices, as most of the economic data would be announced. And so far it looks very much as if this is going to be the case. Though there are a few hours left for things to turn around, though we suspect the trend is now in. Thank you for listening. Please do tune in tomorrow for our weekly update. And if you have some free time this evening, do listen to the videos we've listed below. And if you haven't already done so, kindly subscribe to this channel, not forgetting to press the bell sign so that you'll be notified as new videos are published. You see, we don't always get it right, but even when we get it wrong, we're often less wrong than most of our competitor channels. And we are still slightly bullish, gold and silver, certainly in the new year. But we are far less bullish than the pumper channels are suggesting you should be, as after all, it's important that they get as many sales in as possible before Christmas. But the irony of the situation is that if prices do continue to go down, then there is every chance they may increase their sales. But unfortunately, if they've already bought their stock, they could be sitting on a small, or even in some cases, a hefty loss. Until tomorrow, have a great Friday evening. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.